shit, it's cold. Tastes better than home. So I have no idea where I am. I have no clue. The problem is that I need shit and I don't know where to do that. Deserve a banana right now. Woo! They're like, there are wolves in the area. There are wolves in the area. And there are a lot of mosquitoes here. There's one right here. So I'm probably gonna get it. It will never turn back now. I frightened it to death. I have a hard time believing that this is dangerous to drink. We're in the Alps. It's just crystal clear. Not a thing in it. It's really just crazy. Tastes like water. I didn't know 𝐁𝐈𝐊𝐿𝐵 was from Austria. Italy. I just made the Brenner Pass. Now I'm in Austria. And then I'm in Italia. Austria, Italia. In Austria, Italia. Italia, Austria, Italia. I just arrived at the camping site and I put up my tent. One extraordinary thing about this camping site is that it has chickens and hens. It's the most ugliest hen I've seen in my entire life. Look at her. It's the ugliest thing I've ever seen. The ugly one left, but they're really into my food. You see, they're really into my food. Go away. Oh, don't mind me, don't mind me. And look. What, Mary? What if go away? You know what's waiting. Around the other one, she has respect. But this one, she doesn't have respect. Go away, go. I was at the fortress like 20 minutes away from here. It was €7 to go in there. But I was like, oh, do you have a guidebook at least? Because I really want to read about it. And she was like, yeah, take this one. It's all in English. And no, it's not. It's all in Italian. Except for this one part where this bat says, make love, not war. It's Santa Claus in the summer. And I work so hard once a year. Can't you just leave me be? Oh look, I can just... No hands! This is amazing. So this is my record right here. This is a new record. My skills have gone up! Yes! Look at this view. Then this dude comes with the tractor. He actually starts spreading shit all over the place. And it smells... Yeah, it smells like shit. I can't stay here anymore. I can't sleep in the nights, you know, and I fall asleep maybe 9:30. But then I wake up in the devil hour, which is 3:15. I woke up 5 seconds before the local church tower rang 3. And then I go up and I'm like, it's so cold. Marcus, you are going to get warm. And in about 2 hours, you're gonna complain about how fucking warm you are when you do the climbs. So shut the fuck up. Yes, and then I do that. I speak to myself a lot. Stress. Have you ever felt stressed? Oh, now have you? What do you do about it? Is stress a bad thing or is it a good thing? What kind of stress have you felt? Are you feeling it right now, baby? Tell me more about the stress you have. I can't even touch myself, so calm I am. I'm so calm. Oh, I'm getting surpassed by electric mountain bikes. This is my better photo side, you know? 2 donkeys? Donkey! I don't even know where I'm going right now.
Take the next right.
Take the next right. I will do that, my love. I'm sort of falling in love with her.
Now turn right.
Now turn right. She's a woman who can tell me what to do. Oh, look at that guy. He really knows how to handle a hill with a lot of bags, man. Shit. Yay. 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 What are you looking at? You're looking at me, gorgeous. My upper lip is like... So I have to do... But I do... But where are all the Italian cows? Where are they? It's a mystery. Maybe the aliens took them. I've bicycled all the way to Italy. Sometimes I just have to suck it in. Just suck it in. And with these surroundings, it's easy to do that.